Hello everybody, it's time for Tick or Fix, and today we're going to be looking at multiplication problems, multiplication word problems. So I'm going to put those problems up on the screen now, have a read of those, and then when you're ready, press play again and we shall tick or fix. What we're going to do is we're going to follow a 5-step plan, and the first step is to read the question really carefully. The second step is to extract or take out the really important information that we need to solve the problem. The third step is to write out the calculation in the number sentence. The fourth step, we're going to draw it, and the fifth step, check our answer. So let us look at the first question then. So I'm going to read the question really carefully. Bob has 5 cats. Tom has 3 times that number. How many cats does Tom have? Step 2 then is to extract the information from the question, the information that we need to solve the problem. Look at the information that I've underlined. Bob has 5 cats, that belongs to Bob. Tom, let's underline Tom. Tom has 3 times that amount. How many cats does Tom have? My next step is to write that in a number sentence. What do you think my number sentence will be? 5 times 3. 5 times 3. And what is 5 times 3? Now I'm just going to draw that using an array so you can really see what we did there. Bob had 5 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 row, 5. Tom had 3 times that amount. So Tom had 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. Tom had 3 times 5. 5, 10, 15. My final step is to check the answer. Bob has 5 cats. Tom has 3 times that number. How many cats does Tom have altogether? 5, 10, 15. 15 is the answer. Question 2 then. Read that question really carefully. Jake has 10 toy cars. Mary has 5 times that number. How many does she have? Step 2. Extract the information that we need to solve the problem. Now she must be Mary, because Jake would be he. So she must be Mary, so we need to know how many Mary has. My next step is to write that number sentence. 10 times 5. 10 times 5 is 50. Now this time I'm going to use base 10 to help me, because I'm not going to draw 50 cars, but I'm going to draw the base 10 rods. So Mary had 5 times what Tom had. So she had 5 rows of 10. Let's count how many Mary has. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And let's just check our answer. Tom has 10 toy cars. He's got 1 rod. And Mary has 5 times that amount. 5 times that number. She has 5 rods of 10. So altogether, she has 5 times 10, 50. Next question then. First step is to read the question really carefully. Roxy has 4 dolls. Mike has 4 times that amount. How many does he have? Time to extract the information that we need to solve the problem. Now I need to write my number sentence. 4 times 4. Now 4 times 4 is a bit tricky for me, so I'm going to draw it and then see if it helps me get the answer. I'm going to use an array this time to solve it, and I'm going to draw circles. Each circle is like the doll's face. So, Roxy has 4 dolls. She has 1 row of 4. Mike has 4 times that amount, so he has 4 rows of 4 on my array. So there's 1 row. So he has 4 times 4. 4 times 4. 4 rows and 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I just need to figure out how many there are in total. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Now I'm going to check my answer. Roxy has 4 dolls, and Mike has 4 times 4. He has 4 times that amount. How many does he have? This time I'm going to use my fingers to count 4 lots of 4 and see what number I come up with. Hopefully it will be 16. So there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count another lot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 lots so far. 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 lots. 13, 14, 15, 16. 4 lots. 4 times 4 equals 16. Question number 4 then. Read that question. A classroom has 3 tables. Each table has 10 children. How many are there altogether? Now just reading that, the question is a little bit ambiguous. It's a bit difficult to know whether it means how many tables are all together, how many children there are all together. So I'm just going to add in how many children are there all together. Okay, can I read that question one more time? A classroom has 3 tables. Each table has 10 children. How many children are there all together? Let's extract the information that we need. Next job is to write the number sentence. So 3 tables, 10 children. 3 lots of 10. 3 tables of 10. 3 times 10. 3 times 10 is, 3 tens are 30. And now I'm going to draw it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 3 tables. I'm going to write 10 in the middle of each table. Three tables, and there were 10 children at each table. Now I just need to count in tens to see how many there are all together. 10, 20, 30. Check my question then. Classroom has 3 tables. Each table has 10 children. How many children are all together? 3 times 10 is 30. There are 30 all together. The last question then, question 5. A pet shop has 5 fish tanks. Each tank contains 7 fish. What is the total number of fish? I'm going to extract the information that's important to solve the problem. What is the total number of fish? So there are 5 tanks. Each tank has 7 fish. There are 5 groups of 7. There are 5 lots of 7. I'm going to write the number sentence. Now, in year 2 we know our 5 times table, so 5 times 7 is 35. Now I'm going to draw it. Now it will take me quite a long time to draw 35 fish in 5 different fish tanks. I'm going to use an array. I think that will be quicker. There we go. Now I've used circles, you just have to imagine they are fish. So I've got 5 rows going down. That represents the 5 tanks. And in each tank I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Looks good to me. Let's just check our answer quickly. A pet shop has 5 fish tanks. Each tank contains 7 fish. What is the total number of fish? 5 times 7, 35. How did you get on with those? Tick or fix your answers. Well done everybody. See you later, bye bye.